First, we will be discuss is the practical problem is the individual old regimes and new tax regimes. We will be start a practical problem with a solution. The question is Mr. Anil. He is a 37 years old person. He is a businessman. His income of the previous year 2021-22 from business is income is 14 lakh rupees. Besides, he has interest on saving bank account is 21,000 rupees. He annually contributes of rupees 1,50,000 in PPF accounts. Anil wants to know whether he should opt for alternative tax regime from the assessment year in 2022 and 23. Now we will be discuss which tax regime is will be beneficial for the Anil. Now we will be start these questions. First of all, Anil is a businessman, so we will be write down here the income source is the business income, business income, and it is 14 lakh rupees. We will be mention is old regime and tax regime both, and here is the he has interest on saving bank account. It also will be added in the income. It is the income from other sources. Income from other sources like is we will be mention is interest on saving account. It is necessary where we will receive the interest and this amount is 21,000. It will be added in the income of Anil income is the when we calculate the total income. It will be added in the both regime, the old regime and new regime also, and then will be calculated gross total income. Gross total income it will be add 14 lakh rupees plus is 21,000. It will be is equal to its gross total income is 4 lakh 21,000, and in old regime also 40 lakh 21,000, and new regime total income will be 14 lakh 21,000 also. Now will we discuss is the less deduction. Will be mentioned here how many amount will be deducted in the different sections. Here, first of all, we mention in the section 80C because Anil's contribution in the PPF account, so this will be deduction will be allowed in the old regime. We will be mention is will be deduction is 1,50,000, and this new tax regime it will be blocked, not will be allowed individually, and then is the again this section is 80 TTA. This section is the regarding of interest on saving accounts, and this will be TDS deduction only 10,000. So it is will be we will be less in the old regime, but not it is not allowed in the new tax regime. It will be blocked. So we will be mention here is a block, and after section 80C, 80D, TA. Now it is the net income. Net income it will be after 4 lakh 21,000 minus 1 lakh 50,000 minus 10,000. This figure will be 12 lakh 61,000 in the old regime, and in new regime will be 40 lakh 21,000. And now will be calculation of here is the uh, income tax as per old regime and new regime. I will be mention here what is the percentage and what will be in the new regime. First, I will be discussing the old regime. In the old regime is 2,50,000. Its total is nil. Mm. And next is 2,50,000 will be the 5 percentage, and next 2,50,000 it will be 10 percentage, and next 2,50,000 it will be 15 percentage, and next I'm very sorry, some typing mistake here. 2,50,000 is nil, and 2,50,000 is it will be in the old regime is the 5 percentage, and next is 5 lakh rupees. It will be 5 lakh rupees. It will be 20 percentage, and income exceed the income exceed is equal to is 10 lakh rupees. This will be here is the percentage of 30 percentage. This will be, and all percentage on the basis of all regimes. So we will be calculate is the 12 lakh 61,000 minus is 2 lakh 50,000. It will be sorry sorry, and it will be add in calculation on the basis of on the rough work, like is here I will be mention is here the nil, and it will be next is amount will be sum is will be, and this total will be all total will be here is 1 lakh 90,000 is 800 rupees as per old regimes. Now we will be I will be discuss on the basis of new tax regimes. It will be different income. I will be mention here is income income tax as per new regime. We will be mention here is 2,50,000. It will be mm, it will be nil, and next 2,50,000 it will be here is the 5 percentage, and is next is 2,50,000. It will be here is 10 percentage. 2,50,000 is 15 percentage. and next is 2 lakh 50,000. It will be 20 percentage, and next is 2 lakh 50,000 is here it will be 25 percentage, and more than is uh, income exceed 15 lakh is 15 lakh rupees. It will be exceed is 30 percentage. Here it was in the old regime is that 30%, but his amount is 10 percentage, 10 lakh rupees. Now we will be see here as per new tax regime, the amount of calculation is 1 lakh is 67,750 rupees. This will be and this is the rebate here, old resume and new the calculations. As per this amount is as per calculated of old resume, I will be mention here, and this amount will be calculated as per is the new resume. Okay, this is total taxable amount as per is the new regimes, and this is the total taxable income is as per old resume. Now I will be continue these questions, and here is the some as per question information we will be deduct. Here is the rebate section 87A less. This amount will be is here is the nil rebate under section 87A. This is not available income more than 5 lakh rupees as per in the questions already given. It is will be not will be allowed. It will be here is it is nil. Same here. It is here is a nil. And now we will do is tax after deduction. Tax after deduction 87A. This amount will be 1,90,800, and this amount will be here is the as per new tax slab 1,67,750 rupees. Okay, and now we will be in a calculation the sum. Now is it will be add surcharge. It will be add is surcharge. Surcharge here is it will be there is a nil, and in the same here is a nil, because we have already discussed in the regarding of surcharge. If your income is less than 50 lakh rupees, it will be no added the surcharge. Now will be it will be here income tax uh, income tax after add surcharge, and we can say after add the surcharge, and here will be income tax add surcharge. It will be here is 1,90,800 is equal to 1,67,750 rupees. And here will be add again, this amount will be added. The surcharge is health and education surcharge. Education surcharge. Sees. This will be for percentage. It will be chargeable at the rate of 4%, and 4% will be 1,90,000 800. This amount will be, when we calculate, when we get this figure, 7,000 is 632 rupees, and when we calculate is 1,67,000, this amount will be 6,710. We can take this of round of figure, and now will be, this is our tax liabilities. The calculation is 1,97,632 rupees, and it will be here is 1 lakh is 74,460 rupees. And now after this calculations, all types, we have reached of the this how many amount will be taxability for the Mr. Anil. Now we will be discuss here is what will be beneficial. It is old regime and new regimes. Now I will be discuss here as per section is old regime. Section is 115 BAC. Tax liabilities of a Mr. Anil is lower under the alternative tax regime. We can say here is Mr. Anil is the pay tax liabilities is the old regime is 1,97,632 rupees as per new old regimes, and he is paying is the new tax regime is 1,74,600. It is it will be a round of figure is near is 70 is 20 and is 20 and or 70 is, it will be he is paying to minimum tax pay as per new tax slabs. It will 7 and 8 and 17,232 rupees. It will be tax pay less than as per old regimes. Is alternative tax regime is the new tax regime. He may opt for it for uploading the option from option in form, and number is 10IE. It will be a detail as per Income Tax Act 1961. Under the section 115 BAC clause 5, Anil has a business income. Here not the salary income. Here is we are discussing here in the business income. Anil should note that option once exercised for any previous year will be applicable even for the subsequent years. The option can be withdrawn only once for a previous year, rather other than the year in which it was exercised, and thereafter. He shall never be eligible to exercise options under section 15, 115 BSc. It will be eligible for this sections 115C. It will be, he can take the tax benefits as per new as per old. As per after the discussion this problem, we can say easily Mr. Anil will be adopt is the new tax regime policy. He will be pay minimum tax. It will be minimum is 17,000 is 232. It will be minimum. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can contact on a toll free number for this query.